Hello guys, in this video I will try just to speak about swing trading and swing traders and what they do. Since I am a swing trader and I'm only specialized in swing trading, I don't do like day trading, maybe once or twice a year where there is a big IPO or something. That's it. I don't do day trading. Okay, why? Because it's frustrating and there is a lot of stress. Why should I compete with other professionals for direction of the stock in the morning? Okay, it's a lot of stress. People, they think it's fun, especially beginners, and they buy, they see it goes up, goes down, goes here, it goes there, and they make fun and something. This is entertainment. This is not business. Okay, you can lose too much money if you don't know day trading. And in each style it has some characteristics, okay, that it is totally different. Now in swing traders, like swing trading, we don't trade always. We should find the stocks that begin to trend. Okay, so swing trading is to follow certain kind of stocks, either to search them daily, you can find them this way, or you can find them by industries. Okay, and you see a stock that it is, for example, trending into a range. Let's say, I just give you an example, from $20 to $30, just an example. You see that it is 10 years, it's doing the same. And you see the chart. When you see the chart, it gives you an idea what's going on. Some people buy for 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, something, and then they will sell. And some people, they will short. So it's like a zigzag. You will find the stock going up, down, going up, going down. There is no real trend. But one day, this stock, in few weeks, few months, it can go from 30 to 50, 70, 80, 90, 100. It's just in a few weeks. And that time, swing traders are there to follow these trends. And this is where the big money is. Okay? When the stock is sleeping, give him a cover. Let him sleep. Why you want to wake him up to buy? He will not wake up. Because you have little money. You can't wake up a big stock. A big stock, in order to wake up and to run and to be active, what does he need? He needs a big push. Who will do this? Who will move a stock? Mutual funds, pension plans, hedge funds, those who have billions of dollars. If they put it in one stock, the stock will go by force. This is very simple, and it is known in economics. This is supply and demand. When the mutual fund begins to buy, you will see that it is daily going up a little bit, because he doesn't want to show his hand. Because if you, I, and everybody knows that it is the beginning of the trend, what do we do? All we buy in one day. You see a big spike. But unfortunately, the mutual fund, they hide themselves. It means in the media they don't speak. You will never find, like, for example, let's say one who is biggest investor, for example, Warren Buffett, is interested in one stock, Chinese stock, as he do before. Do you think when he begin to buy, he will tell you that he is buying? You find it in a big title, Warren Buffett will buy this stock, go and buy it. Stupid. Who will follow these stupid things online? Okay? But when he buys, or the mutual fund buys, in many months, because some trend, it stays 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. So don't expect that the trend is just a few days and he stops. This is a small trend. This is not just someone buys and he sells. It's not mutual fund. This is just a small manipulation. Okay? So we are not looking for small manipulation. We are looking for someone big. And other big guys follow. Swing traders who have millions of dollars. Okay? Some hedge funds, they have billions of dollars. When they see that mutual fund is going to push some stocks, he will jump and he will help him. Now for us, since we are small accounts, we are not big accounts. Okay, what we do? We follow them. That's it. The stock is going up, I buy and I wait. Relax. Stay relaxed. Don't be stressed. Don't be frustrated. Just let the stock go up. And each week, each 2 weeks, 3 months, 1 month, 2 months, depending on the stock is going up. You are making money. You are not stressed. No one push you. You are not frustrated. You don't look at the news or what the people say because they don't speak about it. Believe it or not, this stock that you buy, and it is hidden from anyone. Okay? At the end, after 2 years, the stock was $10, it goes to 50, 60, 100, and then they tell you, oh, there is a big jump of this stock. It was 10, now it is 100. Okay, why you don't tell me when it is 100 and it's going up? Because they don't know. Analysts, they don't know, they are like you. But they get paid to tell what they tell. Now, when mutual funds want to sell, they pay analysts. They say, okay, we want you to say good things about this company. Now, while it will become like big news. Oh, this company is doing so good. Buy it. Now, a lot of naive people, a lot of small investors, a lot of people, when they are buying the mutual fund, they have big profit in 1 year or 2, they are selling. That's why you see in these days, 1 week or 2 or 3, there's a lot of volatility. You see the stock was, for example, it has a 500K, like 500,000 volume or 1 million. You find that this stock changes to 10 million, 20 million in those days and these weeks. Why? Because beginners are buying and the big guys are selling. And when the big guys sell everything, the stock will go nowhere. And after 100, the stock will begin to go to 90, to 80, to 70, then it will go to 75. It will trend wherever. And these guys who made too much money from $10 to 100, they have been gone. They take all the profit and they gone. Now who will move the market again? You get it? Who will move the market again? Is it you? Is it the naive investors or people who don't know how to trade? Is it you that you move the market? No. The stock stays as it is because some people, they keep it and they say, oh, next year, the other year, they invest, they think that it will go up. But believe me, you can stay 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, or maybe forever, and this 100, it will never be reached. That's why sometimes when you put your money, try to know where you put your money. Okay? Some coffee again. So, a swing trader is not always in the market. When there is nothing moving, like a trend, keep your money in your account and wait. You can search daily. There is a way to search daily for this kind of stocks with resistance line and some criteria. And there are some other way I do also, which is I search by industries. Okay? This is knowledge that brings the money. You know where are these stocks. You are not sure 100% if they go up all or few of them. But probabilities is the solution. You try to do probabilities. You buy and you see. If it goes up, you are right. You make the money. If you buy something that goes down, you exit. Change it. Don't have feelings to these kind of stocks. A stock is just a means to make money. Like you, when you buy a car, and for example, someone who is a car dealer, as an example, he buys cars and he sells them. He doesn't love this car. Each car he buys, he loves it. No, because he will not drive it. He will just to sell it. That's why stocks or companies. For me, I don't see the name of the company, believe it or not. Sometimes when I see, I just get curious. What's this? Just this. I don't care if it is whatever it is. Retail company, drug company, aerospace company, chemical company. I don't care. Who cares about the company? Okay? Who cares? No one cares. If you care about this thing, you will never make the money. Okay? So, this is what the swing trader do. Just wait. There is an opportunity, you buy. There is no, or you don't know, keep your money safe. Don't trade. When you see that the market is volatile, going up and down each day, and there is a lot of volume, stay away. Because it goes, one day it goes up, the second day it goes 2 days down, and you hit your stop loss, and you want to enter again, and you enter again, enter. This volatility thing I don't like. I like stocks that have low volume, and they go hidden from the eyes of the day traders. Day traders, they like volume, high volume, and they go to it. Oh, there is activity, they buy, because the stock maybe go up very quick or go down too quick, and they are there to make the money at that time, at that specific day, at that specific hour, at that specific minute. This is day traders, what they do. They like news, they like activity. But for us as swing traders, no. We don't like chaos. We don't like a lot of noise in the market. We like stocks that go slowly. From 10, it can go to 30 or 40 in 1 month or 2, but there is no way that these stocks will be published online. Oh, there is a stock that's going up slowly. Go and buy it. Have you found that? Have you found this information? Never. Never. Because these kind of stocks are bought by mutual fund, but slowly, not because if they show their hand, if they buy too much, you find a big spike, green spike, and the day traders, they come whenever they see high volume. That's why a lot of people here in my channel, they told me, what do you think about volume? Well, how do you trade volume? I say to them, I don't trade volume. I don't. Because if it is high volume, it's day traders. I'm not a day trader. I don't find high volume. For me, I like stocks that is going into uptrend, that it is trending, and when you see it, it begins to come like a trend. Okay, like what you say, 90%, 90 degree. Okay, it's going up, but online, in CNBC, in CNN, in specialized companies that they give stocks, they will never give you this kind of stocks because it is hidden, and you should find them by yourself. If you don't know, you should ask a trainer to train you how to find the stocks, or you should find a strategy, or you should find books. But most of the time, this information you don't find with $10 or $20. You don't buy a book with $20 about big trade and they show you how to find this kind of stocks. You cannot. Why? Because it costs a lot of money to find these stocks. It's not easy. You should search. For me, I search each day. I search for 30 minutes, 1 hour each day. I am always on the market. But I am not seeing the news. I am not seeing the company's earnings. I am not. I'm looking for the price. If something moves and I think it will trend, an uptrend, I will buy it. And I wait. If tomorrow, the next day, it goes up, I'm right. When I am right, I stay relaxed, and let the profits run. This is what Wall Street, the old adage, the old saying of Wall Street. Let the profits run. If the stock is going up, let it run. Don't quit and take $100, $50. A lot of people. I always try to teach some people the good way to trade. And one of the guys, he told me, I have seen this from one guru, one of the best guru on TV, and he says that it is always good to take some profit. And when I buy today 100 shares, for example, tomorrow I see profit, I take half. I sell 50 shares and I leave. I tell them, is it worth it to take $30 or $50? Is it worth it? Why don't let this $50 becomes 500, 700, 1,000, and then you can take all because it's 1,000. And I showed some people some stocks that I buy. They are not big stocks. It's just $10. I bought $300 or $400 for 300, 400 shares. That's it. After a few days, I get 1,000, like 30% or 25%. Okay, it's a good profit. Now I put stop loss. If it hit my stop loss, I'm out with $1,000. Now, if I'm stupid to do like before when I was a beginner, I see some money, $50. Oh, it's $50. Let's sell. Sell $50. What do you do with $50 right now? If you take your girlfriend or your wife or your I don't know, your kids, or what, you go to a movie theater, you can spend $50, $100 just for popcorn and some movie. So what's this $50 that you are thinking that you are making money? It's just if you wait few days, you can make $200, $300, $500. This is money. When you get $500, you can take your family the weekend and you can go to some park, or you go to some place to visit or something. You can have fun. But $50, you put it as gas to your car. That's it. You can do nothing. So here in my channel, what I am doing, I'm trying to teach you the right way to do swing trading. I'm not teaching you day trading. I'm not teaching you forex or commodities or options or CFD or the other things. No, I am specialized in this and I am teaching this. Okay? So don't mix strategies, don't mix day trading with swing trading with investing, because you confuse yourself and you will never get it. Okay? So swing traders are people who are looking for momentum, for specific opportunities in the market. They have their money ready. Okay? My money is ready. It's in my account. I don't touch it. I find a stock is going up, and I think it can trend and go up so high, and I put my rules. It's okay. This stock is good. I don't care if this stock is a drug company, retail, a bank, aerospace thing, well, health plan, utilities. I don't care. I don't care. What is this company doing? What I care is this stock will bring you money. If this stock brings you money, I am okay. I buy it. It trends 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. But this stock, believe me, in 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, it didn't trend. It's always doing the same thing. Going up, down, going up, down, going up, down. So for me, I will do better than an investor who spent all his life, 10 years or 20 years, waiting for the stock to go up. For me, I go to this stock and buy it when it will go up now or for tomorrow. I'm not going to lock my money for 10 years or 20 years waiting for the stock. And if it didn't, what should I do? That's why some investors, almost all the investors, sometimes they lose too much money. They lose time. This is the most important thing. They lose two things. They lose time and they lose money. Suppose that you buy a stock for 10 years and it doesn't go that much, and then you see another stock that it goes 500 times, 600 times, 1,000, and you tell yourself, oh, I'm stupid to buy this company. Why shouldn't I buy the other company? Yes, because you stay with the company too long. It did give you nothing. Why waste your time? Because you believe that holding a stock will make you money. Okay, just hold it and hope God gives you money in the future before you die. Okay, maybe you die and then the stock will go up. Your kids will take the money, which is very good, although your kids is from you, so you are They are the living thing from you. So, but you spend all your life waiting for the stock to wake up. But this stock is sleeping, and he has taken he's taken some medicine to sleep for a long time. So there is no way that this stock will wake up. This is always funny when the stock is sleeping. I will never buy stock that does nothing. I will never buy it. Whatever you told me, even if you tell me Warren Buffett has bought this stock, I will never buy it. If I see that this stock is not going up, I will never buy it. So do like me. Not about coffee, but you know, do what I do. So to go back to our subject, which is what the swing traders do. Swing traders are looking for opportunities for momentum in the stock market, and they are looking for stocks, any stocks that move, any industry that has some stocks going up, we follow them. So how do we know? There is a strategy, there is a way to search for stocks. It's a daily job. Although you don't buy, you don't sell, but you should follow. If you have enough stocks, there is no need to buy, there is no need to search at all. For example, if you have $10,000 and you buy 2 stocks or 3 stocks and you are still in the stocks because they are giving you money, it's useless to go and begin to search for other stocks. But when you sell one stock and you need to replace it, at that day or the other following days, you go and search, because your money in the account should work. If there is an opportunity, obviously, not because you want to trade just because we trade. We don't trade because we trade. We trade to make money. If there is no opportunity, we don't buy. We are opposite day trader. Day trader, he should find opportunity in the day, because there are thousands of stocks. Some are going up, some are going down. So he should figure out which stock he is interested in, and he will begin to trade, and he make a plan. For us also, we make a plan, but a plan that it is longer than a day trader. We are not thinking about minutes. We will look for days, day by day by day by day. Okay, this is what parameter that we use, the criteria. We use daily chart. And swing traders are chartists. Chartist, what does it mean? It means when you see a chart, you have a general idea. It gives you all the information that you need in order to trade. Just a chart. I don't need to know the company name. I don't need what the company is doing. I don't need who is the CEO of the company, if the associates are good or bad, or they are nice. I'm not interested if the store is clean or not. I'm not interested in earnings, if this company is making money or not. I don't care about all what you call fundamentals. This is for investors, not for the swing traders. Okay? We don't care. Are you caring to make money, or are you taking information in your head? You fill your head with information that you don't use, that will bring you money. Okay? It's not because a company has good earnings that you should buy the stock. It's not because they say good things about the company that you buy stock. I have seen before, when they go online and they speak about some companies and they go to the chart, the ugliest chart I have ever seen. A stock that it is going up and down like a zigzagging for 10 years. And they ask you, oh, go and buy the stock. It's the best company in the world. Really? A company that the stock doing nothing for 10 years or 20 years is a good company? This is a good company for the CEO, for the executive, who take a lot of bonuses, big salaries. You know that some CEOs, they take millions of dollars each year. They take bonuses, big bonuses. Executives always, the company executive, they take too much money from the company. Those, they make the money for themselves, but they don't make money for me. If I am an investor and I want to invest in company, I should get money by the stock going up. Okay? I don't think about what the people get. Okay, executives and CEO and the founders and the so-called executives and the owners of the company. Okay, those, they can make direct money from their salaries. But for me, I am not a salary man. I don't get a salary from the stock. I get money from the trading, from the stock going up. I make money. The company doesn't give me a check, send me a check. They say, this is your excuse me, this is your work. Okay, so enough said about swing traders and swing trading. Please, if you have a question or you have a comment, or you get confused between day trading or investing or swing trading, please ask. For me, I try to speak as much as I can and try to see all the facets. Try to see swing trading from all the angles. If you have an angle that I don't speak about or something else, just comment or thumb it up, subscribe if you don't, and good luck and good weekend. Thank you very much.